Nikon D4S review. It's a great workhorse that can see in the dark, but you won't want to use iOS 409 600 very often. Teach reader verdict. The D4S is a great workhorse for professional photographers. It's built to last and gets great shots in conditions that would be too taxing for other cameras. Pros: 11 fps shooting with AF, fast AF, massive ISO range. Cons: big and heavy, no Wi-Fi or GPS built-in, AF points clustered in center. Go to page. Since its launch in January 2012, the Nikon D4 has been the camera of choice for many professional photographers who need the ultimate in speed, low light shooting capability, and AF performance. It's also built to survive heavy use in the type of conditions that reports find themselves in on a regular basis. The DS4 makes a relatively subtle upgrade to the D4, keeping with this same pixel count but making a few refinements that can be largely attributed to the move to the newer Speed 4 processing engine. Features: Nikon D4S Black at Amazon for $47.99.95. Nikon has been pretty tight-lipped about the changes made to the D4S's sensor, but we are told that it's new and that it has an effective pixel count of 16.23 million, while the D4's count is 16.25 million, not a hug change. Then, and the pixel pitch remains the same at 7.3 um. According to Nikon, the new sensor and Speed 4 engine combination result in an approximately 1.5 EV improvement in noise performance, and this has given the companies the confidence to expand the D4S's native sensitivity settings by 1 EV on the D4 to ISO 100 25 600. In addition, the expanded range is ISO 50 409 600. Thanks to the Speed 4 processor, the D4S has a maximum continuous shooting rate of 11 fps. The D4 can also manage this speed, but not the accompanying ability to focus and matter between shots. The buffer capacity has also been increased, enabling as many as 200 JPEG fine quality files, 176 compressed 12-bit raw files, or 60 uncompressed 14-bit raw files to the compute capture in a single burst. As with the D4, these images may be written to either compact flash or XQD media, as the D4S has two cards sport. The D4S has new mirror and sensor machinism, with the former having better dampening than the D4 to give a more stable image in the viewfinder. The blackout time between frames is also shorter, and there's a shutter notch of just 42 ms. These facts and the new processing engine probably explain why the camera is able to focus when shooting at 11 fps. Nikon has improved the autofocus algorithm for the D4S, and it uses an advanced version of the Multicam 3500 AF model found in the D4.